If you want to hide and unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, let's open up our settings. Now scroll down to home screen section. There you are. Now we gotta locate our hide apps on home and app screens. So tap here. Great, and now we have to select the corresponding apps. For example, we want to hide our LinkedIn. Tap here. So now it's added to the list of hidden apps, and let's press done. Great. So now we gotta find it, and as you see, no sign of LinkedIn on our home and app screens. It means it's hidden. Great. If you want to unhide it, simply press on your settings, scroll down to your home screen, locate your hide apps on home and app screens again, and here simply tap on the minus and press done. Now, if we're gonna open up our app screen, we're gonna locate our LinkedIn. It's back here. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.